Good morning. We are up bright and early. We were up at like 6:30 this morning because we are getting to a hike. Starting off though with just some boiling water just to make us some teas. The girls are up. They're in the van just getting changed. We had a super cozy, warm sleep. I'm actually a little bit surprised.
Morning. Morning.
We all survived.
Yay. It's hot.
Yes. This Singapore girl, she said it was hot. And we have snow on the ground. Who is this girl? All right, this is a little bit more like daylight. You can see the van. It is a hot mess in there. It is lived in.
Yeah.
I will just give a glimpse again.
Welcome to our home.
This is the cribs. Yeah, it's a little bit tight, but it's doable. It's like, you know, camping.
It's cozy.
Give a wave over there, Luke. Hi. He's putting stuff away in the back. All right, let's get on the road for our hike.
This is so cool. Touch. Oh my god, it's so soft.
So, Beatrice, have you ever touched snow?
No, not this much. Oh my god, actually no. Oh my god, my hands are so cold. Wait, it's colder than...
Is it what you thought it would be like?
Yes, and it's so soft.
A bit of a winter wonderland. It's beautiful,
Yeah.
tree covered in snow. We have quite a bit of fog, so usually you can like see the mountains around us, but not this morning. Hopefully once we get up and hiking, we can get some good views.
Why is my snowball like not a ball? Like,
It might not be good snowball snow. There's different types.
oh,
it's pretty good.
Oh, okay, you're challenging me
Try
now.
again.
I'm gonna make a huge one.
I don't think we're going hiking. We're just going to make snowmen and snowballs, guys.
He is fulfilled doing this.
Okay. It disintegrated.
We made it to Lake Louise. It is so pretty in the winter, but this fog really needs to lift. You can barely see like a bit of a tip of the mountain up there. And honestly, for being so touristy and it's like almost 9 a.m., it's not that bad for a crowd. This is what I would consider not crowded at all. The fog is clearing as we speak. This is so nice. Love it. Okay, the goal today is to do Little Beehive, 4.5 kilometers one way. Let's hit the trails. We have shed some layers, working up a sweat already, bit of a burner with how steep this is. Good job, team. We've broken through the fog and getting to the top of the tree line. Beautiful. Look who it is! Megan!
Why does every time they like pop out of nowhere?
We are 2.7 kilometers in. 4.3 is the total. What a sunny blue sky day. We're so lucky it cleared up. Look at that viewpoint. Unreal. So pretty, you guys. And this is why we suffer through inclines and hiking and burning legs and being out of breath. That view right there. Here we go. Let's go, guys. Meg, start us off. Who's next? Killing it. Second flight, here we go. We made it up to the tea house, which is closed for the season, unfortunately. But if you would like, you could get tea once you get to this point. I think it closed in like Thanksgiving in October. Oh, she's beautiful. Wow. Worth the hike, everybody. Guess what time it is? Summit sandwich time. Remember when we made these last night?
Yeah.
Oh, everything tastes better after a hike when you're in the mountains. Let me just show our lunch view. Not mad about that view. Love it. First bites, how is it?
Really good.
Really good. Summit sandwich. Michelin star, right? So good. We made it. Honestly, that last viewpoint was better than this one. This is the top of Little Beehive. Looks like there was an old fire lookout. These trees block the view a little bit more. But still beautiful. Beatrice,
Yes.
in 2 words, how was your hike?
Tiring. Okay, wait. No, I want to redo that. Snowy and beautiful. Yeah, I was like struggling with the downhills.
We all heard the first response. Okay.
But it was good. Like super worth it. Yeah.
Yay! I'm glad you survived.
Yeah. I'm
Good job. You killed it.
Yay.
Sarah, in 2 words, how would you describe your hike today?
Beautiful. Epic.
Nice. Okay. Guy with the great hair. How is your hike? 2 words.
Jimmy Neutron.
Because of the hair.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And I was burning quads.
Nice.
That's all I have to say. Burning quads.
Worth it.
Oh yeah, worth it is also
Worth it.
good 2 words.
Worth it's pretty good.
Great job, everyone. Now we just have to make our way back down. We did it!
We're running
Beatrice
down.
and I are literally so done.
Like we were just on a vent to be like there.
Right.
They
We
did
are
so well.
falling apart.
Yeah.
Crazy. But we did it. High five.
Yay! Good job, team.
And Megan made it back. Speedy Demon here is like only 10 minutes behind us.
We should do an extra 3.5K.
Yeah, extra 3.5K. How many total did you do? 13?
13 and a half.
13 and a half. How many did we do?
10.
10. 10K?
Yeah.
Good job, everybody.
Easy. Lightweight.
Woo! We've got beef stew for dinner. That is like exactly what I want after this long hiking day.
Yeah.
Thanks, chef.
Thank you.
I mean, it was team effort.
Just kidding. We should really be thanking my mom.
Thanks, Mama Long.
It It smells so good, and we're gonna dip our sourdough. Yummy. Okay, let's eat. In case you're wondering how you get up there. She's almost there. You got it. It's honestly not much better on the bottom bunk, if that makes you feel any better. You guys all comfortable for bed tonight?
Yes.
You look so cute. And then Luke and I are gonna crawl in and say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning. We are all rested up after our great hike yesterday, and we are doing a nice camp breakfast. We got Bee on bacon duties. We already have my favorite hash browns soaking, getting hydrated. Mr. Luke here is on coffee duties. Thank you. Sarah is apple duties. And I am about to get our little hash fried up. Look at our little family working together.
Cute. So cute. So cute.
So very
With our van.
It's not very high.
We were all fueled up and decided to do another hike today, so we headed into Canmore. We thought it was going to be a pretty easy and flat hike, but we were wrong. Join us for part 3 to see where the rest of this hike takes us. And you won't want to miss the last meal that we made in the camper van. See you then.